It's a beautiful day in South Texas if you're into really hot temperatures. Just got the day off, so I'm going to try and get a few flights in. So I'll see how this goes. GoPro just fell off, but obviously I found it. This is not an advertisement for Brain 3D. Crashy kind of day, so I'm gonna head back and see what I got. A lot of my footage got erased because the GoPro, anytime it takes a little hit, it stops recording and erases a little bit back, so we'll see what we got.